Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to create Turnitin account without class ID. Just quick truth, in 2026 you cannot directly create a Turnitin student account without a class ID. Turnitin only allows a student access through an instructor or an institution. But here are the only legitimate options you have. Step 1. Ask your instructor for a class ID and enrollment key. This is the fastest and official way. Step 2. If your school uses Turnitin Draft Coach, sign in through Microsoft Word with your school email, no class ID needed, but your institution must support it. Step 3. Contact your university liability or IT department. Some schools create student access automatically using your institutional email. Step 4. If you are an independent user, you cannot create a student account and you will need an instructor account or a third-party plagiarism checker instead. And that's it. No hacks, no fake methods. If this helped, like and subscribe and see you in a new video.